Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a plain old beach pebble and turn it into an adorable little personal magnet. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you will need neodymium magnets, E6000 glue, beach pebbles in white, black, or mottled, Uni-Posca markers, yarn, googly eyes, and other embellishments. These are neodymium magnets. They're very, very strong. And let me give you a little special tip about these. If you've got them stacked up together, they're very, very strong. They have like a 17-pound pull. So that means that they have a very strong magnetic force going on here. So you want to slide them. If you try to peel them, they won't come apart. But if you slide them, you should be able to get them apart. Now, one thing I will tell you, they do like to snap. So watch your fingers because you can get snapped. Now, these pebbles are awesome. I love these beach pebbles. And these I got at Lowe's, and they came in a big old bag, and you get a whole bunch of them, and they're not very expensive. Sometimes they need to be cleaned off, but in this case, these were nice and clean already. And you're just going to take your rock, and you want to find the flattest side. So in this case, it's this one, in this case, it's this one. And then you're going to take your E6000 glue. Now, you don't want to use a hot glue or something like that for this because you really want to make sure that the magnet stays and sticks. And as beloved as hot glue is, it is not something that is going to serve as a solid sealant. You want to set these aside, and you want to let them dry for a good 24 hours just to be safe. Here we go. I've got one that's already done. And what I'm going to do now is put the hair on. So I'm going to actually use my cell phone because it's the perfect size. And I'm just going to wrap the yarn around my cell phone 11, 12 times. Then I'm just going to cut right in the center. And I'm going to take another little piece of string and lay my bundle of hair right over top in the middle and just tie off with a double knot. 1, 2, like that. Now, hot glue is perfect for adhering all of your little various and sundries. You don't need to use the E6000 for this part. But do understand that hot glue will have a tendency to pull off from your rock surface. And so that's why you don't want to use it for applying the magnet. Okay, so she's got quite some lovely long hair right now, so I can give her a haircut if I'd like to. I think what I am going to do, though, is give her a little embellishment. I want to give her a little flower off to the side here. So I'm just going to give her a little flower. I'm going to add some eyes. And although I didn't mention it, I'm going to use little pom-poms for her nose because I've got these tiny little pom-poms. So I'm going to give her a little tiny pom-pom nose. Okay. Kind of looks like a stone Muppet. Nice thing about the hot glue is if you do get a little extra, you can just peel it off like that. And then I've got my Uni-Posca pen that I'm going to use for her mouth. This is the finest line Uni-Posca pen that they have, and this is a great one for drawing on the rocks. There we go. Now I think I'm going to give her a little bit of a haircut just because her hair seems a little bit long, so I'm just going to give her a little haircut. Right there, and right there. And there she is, my little beauty. And there you have it, your very own personalized rock magnet. And you can make them stick to anything metal. And what's really fun is that you could make one for every member of your family. And there you have it, a rockin' family. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.